almost fell. Oh, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wondered why I almost fell. But before that, I want to introduce you to my fish. Say hi, fish. Hello. 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 Well, they are really interested in what we're going to learn today too. For our first experiment, we're going to try to balance this can. It's falling. See? Let's see. So it's falling. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it is also falling. But now let's try this one. It isn't falling. How cool is that? Very cool. I wonder why. So that is because of the center of gravity. Just to do a quick recap about gravity, let's learn about it. And if we don't learn as much, you can go and check out my other science video. So gravity pulls things down, but sometimes when things have when their center has a base, the gravity can't pull it down. So this is what happened with the can. So why this can was kind of falling was because this can is filled with water. So usually when it's like this, the center of gravity has a base. But when I do it like this, the center of gravity goes another place and it won't have a base. So of course the can is gonna fall. This is an empty can, so it's like the center of gravity had a base, but when we tilt it, the center of gravity goes somewhere else, and it doesn't have a base. But so this can had 100 ml of water. That's the exact, and this cup also has 100 ml of water. So first the center of gravity was somewhere like in the middle, like over here. But when I tilted it, the water came like this. So the center of gravity fell over here. So over here, it's balancing here. So it means the center of gravity is right over here. So that center of gravity had a good base, so that of course the can didn't fall. That's the coolest thing I've heard of. I know, fishy. Science always comes to the rescue, doesn't it? So now we're going to do another experiment. But as a reminder, the center of gravity is like here in this middle block. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to like put this block here. Let's put it. And put this one here. I'm going to do this like 5 times. We have to stack it like 5 times, but carefully, because if we make it to fall, then the whole experiment will be ruined, and we'll have to try again. So we just stack it like that. So now we've got about 5, okay? So the center of gravity, I think, should be still here, but we must find out. So carefully, let's see. We're gonna take out these blocks. So I've taken out the middle one and it seems fine. Let's try the other one. Well, what do you know? The center of gravity moves because of the weight. So we piled a lot of Zenga blocks on top of each other. So the weight got bigger and bigger. So that center of gravity moved over here. It moved over here. That's why it didn't fall. Center of gravity has a base. So maybe if we keep on stacking, it's gonna fall because the center of gravity is gonna keep on moving and then it won't have a base. So let's try stacking it until it falls. I've never done this. Oh, well, I think we're done for today. I'll come back with a really interesting one. And I hope you have a happy Easter, and it's time to say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye. I think you're gonna see them again.